All right, let's talk about how to perform Rivian resets. Here's a quick guide. If you've encountered technical issues with your Rivian, there are 3 types of resets you can try. Here's a step-by-step guide based on information from Rivian Support. Number 1 is a sleep reset. This reset allows the vehicle's system to fully power down. You want to ensure that the Rivian is unplugged from any charger, unbuckle all seatbelts, and ensure no one is inside the vehicle. Lock the vehicle and walk away for at least 30 minutes. This process lets the vehicle enter a deep sleep mode, potentially resolving minor system glitches. Number 2, an infotainment reset. Use this reset if you experience issues with the screens, Alexa, navigation glitches, or hotspot connectivity. Press and hold the far left and far right buttons on the steering wheel for about 15 seconds. Wait for the infotainment system to restart. And number 3, a full reset. A full reset restarts the entire vehicle's computer system, but consult with a Rivian Support before doing a full reset, as recommended by the owner's manual. Press and hold the far left button on the steering wheel and the emergency flasher button for about 15 seconds. The system will restart. After performing a full reset, do not attempt another reset for at least 1 hour. Some systems may take extra time to fully reboot and stabilize. I hope that this was helpful. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more Rivian guides and news. Remember, adventure is always out there.